There are two types of special cases you may run into while solving equations. So the first type, let's check it out. So if I distribute the 2 here, I've got 2x plus 6 equals 2x minus 8. Then I think I'm going to try to get all the x's on one side. But notice, usually I try to move the smaller x, but they're the same. So when I do minus 2x here, and 2x minus 2x is 0, I'm going to do a minus 2x, the same thing to both sides. That also equals 0. So what I'm left with is 6 equals negative 8. Does 6 equal negative 8? Nope, that is not equal. So because this is not true, this is a no solution or never true because 2x never equals 8. So there is not any number that I could plug in for x that it would make this equation true. That would make the left side equal the right side. If I had chosen to move the 6 to the 8 instead, eventually I would have gotten down to a situation where one side does not equal the other side. So whenever you reach that point, you know it's no solution or never true. The other special case, I've got 3x minus 12 equals 3x minus 12. So right away you should be able to notice that these two sides are identical. As soon as you hit that spot, you know that you have a special case. But if you want to, you could take it another step further. So if I do minus 3x minus 3x, those both equal 0. So what I'm left with is negative 12 equals negative 12. That is true. Negative 12 is the exact same thing as negative 12. So when you hit a situation where the two sides are perfectly equal, what you've got is all real numbers. So any number that you choose to plug in for x is going to make this equation true. You also might see this called the identity. We're not using MathXL this year, but in different programs you might see it called identity. So these are the two special cases. So why don't you guys go and check it out in your practice problems. So if they are not equal, never true. If they do equal each other, always true. They're all real numbers.